Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2022 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line, complemented in the desired Mythos Black paintwork, housing your tronic transmission, petrol engine and delivering 110 PS. This is an ideal nippy city runaround, all perfect as a first car, packed with plenty of top features to help you out on those open roads, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights and sitting comfortably on your 17-inch alloy wheels. You do also have the added protection of power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors, followed in the boot area by plenty of space for all of your daily essentials. And stepping into the rear, you will find luxury with a part leather upholstery with your fitted ice fix points, and the convenience does continue in the front with your multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and on your front sport seat your S embossed badging for that modernised edge. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio and even navigation, with the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have a similar access again with your navigation and wide selection of audio to keep yourself well entertained. And of course, you do have your Bluetooth connectivity to stay connected on the go. Of course, you do have your driving assistance features for added safety and your Audi Drive Select for a tailored driving experience, followed just below by your manual air conditioning controls, handy power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.